The most ambitious environmental survey of planet Earth ever undertaken is about to start, using a revolutionary and technically advanced spacecraft. This is Envisat, the world's largest and most sophisticated Earth observation platform. Weighing 8,200 kilograms, it's the biggest satellite ever built in Europe and will allow us to spy on planet Earth in 3D for the first time. Orbiting the Earth every 100 minutes, Envisat will build up a detailed profile of the oceans, land and polar ice caps over a 5-year period. The satellite can see beneath the waves, scanning even the deepest oceans, and it can scan up to a height of 100 kilometers above sea level. Very impressive, you might say, but how can all this information be used? Well, it can help in the search for oil. Oil seeps from underneath the Earth's crust, and when it forms slicks on the ocean's surface, it acts as a dampener. This prevents waves from forming, and the resultant flat area of water can be spotted by Envisat using its radar high above the clouds. And hey presto, scientists know where oil is likely to be found, saving time and money in speculative drilling. And what else can it do? Well, Envisat will also help our planet's ecosystem. Cargo ships take on huge amounts of water for ballast to help maintain stability in heavy seas. However, every time the ship takes water from the sea, it also takes sea life. When they empty their tanks, the creatures are released back into the sea in a different area. This is how the mitten crab innocently found its way to Europe from its native China after being taken as ballast in 1912. From high above the clouds, Envisat can spot areas of calm, clear water where organisms and marine life are unlikely to live. This means environmentally safe water can be taken on board. Amazing. Envisat will also be able to help in the fight against natural disasters such as forest fires, floods and earthquakes. It'll do this by utilising its lofty position to sense smoke and heat. Envisat is also responsible for global land cover mapping. This provides data on land use showing vegetation cover and desertification. This valuable data can be put to use in the fight against global warming, and that's good news for everyone. During its time in orbit, Envisat will collect enough data to fill 1 million desktop PC hard drives, and the data link between Envisat and the Earth will transmit information 2,000 times faster than a standard computer modem. Now that's what we call fast. Stay with Cybernet because we'll have more space news in the near future.